Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in for our next Irregular Verbs video. In this fourth video, we'll tackle the verbs from 31 until 40. The English language has specific rules about how you use verbs. Let's take the verb play. The infinitive is to play. In the past simple, we add ed to that, so we get he played. The past participle is also played. Irregular verbs, however, don't follow the rules. The only way to know the irregular verbs is to study them, 10 verbs at a time. So why do we need to bother with these irregular verbs? Why should we learn them in the first place? Well, it's because irregular verbs are everywhere in English, so sadly we don't have a choice. But luckily, there is this video series. Dig, dug, dug. Do, did, done. Draw, drew, drawn. Dream, dreamt, dreamt. Drink, drank, drunk. Drive, drove, driven. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Feed, fed, fed. And feel, felt, felt. Practice the pronunciation with me. Dig, dug, dug. Do, did, done. Draw, drew, drawn. Dream, dreamt, dreamt. Drink, drank, drunk. Drive, drove, driven. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Feed, fed, fed. Feel, felt, felt. Now you know how to conjugate and pronounce these irregular verbs. Make sure to keep on practicing by reading them aloud and/or re-watching the video until you know them all by heart.